Hey Wolfgang, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you this video. All I ask is just for a little bit of feedback from it. If you wouldn't mind just replying to the email, or better yet, just give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So that being said, let's jump right in. I couldn't find y'all's website, and so I have your Facebook page here, but I will show you the general gist of this video is to start ranking your website in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And I know that these terms are being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's over 600 people every month searching for a painting contractor in Richmond. So I'll just kind of dissect your competitor here just to show you how easy it would be to rank over them and start bringing in a lot more business. So Short Pump Painters, I took their thing, and the first thing that I wanted to show you was content on the homepage. So if we take everything that you see here, including these images and what they're saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows me that they have right over 300 words on their homepage, and that's pretty easy to beat. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and the reason for that is they look at your website as a contributing factor to their platform, and so by meeting that, they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. And so by building out a website and having that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark that also had these key terms in there, that's going to make you relevant for exactly what your customers are searching for. Google's going to be happy, and then you're easily going to beat out your number one competitor online. The next thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks, and really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take this guy's URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of their website. And as you can see, they have over 500 links coming in from just 119 websites. And so, that typically having that many links, if they are all quality links, that's a good thing. But his are not all quality. And some of them are really spammy coming in, and so they're not passing a whole lot of power. And this rating here is Google's trust rating with how much they trust these links. And as you can see, that's a lot lower. Typically, you would want these numbers to be right there at the same. You'd want it to be a 1-to-1 ratio. And so because they have some spammy links, Google doesn't trust these links. And what I mean by a link, this is a link to their homepage. And so if you have this link on another website or a blog post or something, then it's going to pass power to your website and bring your health rating up or down, depending on the health of the link. So obviously they don't have the most quality link, so that's a good thing for us because we would easily be able to go in here and get some real quality links like this to your website that are on, like home improvement blogs and other painters' websites, etc. And then that would be able to help bring your ratings up. The third and final thing that I wanted to show you was citations. And what that is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or even Facebook. Really anywhere that you can put your name, address, and phone number together, and then that helps Google verify that you are a real business with a physical address and that you're not just another website out there on the internet. And so once you get more citations than these three here, then Google will start to rank you here. And the reason this is important is because these three get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So again, that's all that I really have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask is just for a little bit of feedback from the video. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. But I appreciate it, Wolfgang, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.